Are you tired of scrolling through endless untitled pages in OneNote, wasting time hunting for that one note you know you saved? Learn 3 simple ways to organize your pages and find any note in seconds. First, I'll show you the most basic method, manual reordering. Then we'll move into grouping pages with subpages for real hierarchy. And finally, we'll cover automatic sorting so OneNote does the work for you. Let's dive in, all right? Let's start with the simplest fix you can use right now, manual reordering. This is your go-to when you just need to shuffle a few pages into the right order. In the page panel on the right-hand side of your screen, click and hold the title of the page you want to move. Then simply drag it up or down to your desired position and release. That's it. You'll see a little horizontal line appear as you drag, showing you exactly where the page will land. This is perfect for those times when you've got a handful of notes and you just need to put the most important ones at the top. A quick tip here, if you ever accidentally drop a page in the wrong spot, just hit Ctrl-Z or Command-Z to undo it and try again. No harm done. So now that you've got the basic drag and drop down, let's add some real structure with subpages. This is where things get really useful. Instead of having a flat list of 20 pages, you can group related notes under one main topic page. For example, you might have a main page called Project Brainstorm and then tuck all those random ideas underneath it as subpages. To do this, make a main page first, then right-click on any page you want to group under it. From the menu, select Make Subpage. You'll see the page indents to the right, and a little arrow appears next to the main page. Now you can click that arrow to collapse or expand the whole group. And here's the really important part. You can also just click and drag a page slightly to the right to indent it. That's the shortcut. This creates a clean, collapsible hierarchy that makes your notebook look professional and makes finding notes a breeze. One common mistake people make is forgetting that subpages live inside the main page, so if you delete the main page, you'll lose everything underneath it. Always keep that in mind. Now, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, let's look at automatic sorting. This is perfect for when you have a lot of pages and you need a specific order without dragging each one manually. At the top of your page list panel, you'll see a button labeled Sort. Click that and you'll get a few options. You can sort alphabetically by page title, by date created, or by date modified. This is the method that Microsoft actually built into the app, and it's one of the most reliable ways to clean up a messy notebook fast. My personal favorite is sorting by date modified if I'm working on active projects, because it brings the most recent notes right to the top. Just be careful if you sort alphabetically, because it will override any manual order you set earlier. So only use this when you're ready to commit to that system. To wrap it all up, you now have 3 powerful tools to transform a chaotic notebook into a clean, organized system. Start with manual drag and drop for quick fixes, add subpages for grouping related ideas, and lean on automatic sorting when you want a hands-off approach. Your future self will thank you every time you open OneNote and find exactly what you need instantly. Go ahead and try one of these methods right now, and you'll see the difference immediately.